Attention all RC Park patrons. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for our area effective until 8:32 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 90 miles per hour. This storm was located about 3 miles west of Eastport City or about 7 miles northwest of Hansville. All RC Park patrons are advised to retrieve radio, control cars and seek shelter towards the exit. Do not head to your vehicles. If you are disabled or need help, summon a park staff member immediately. I repeat, do not head to your vehicles. Summon a park staff member if you are disabled or need help.